Well, I guess that's just a random house. Now to fill some needs. Is that what we want?
I'm around Jerónima Galés Street and I'm back there for the third time. And it's random lifts all the time. The main reason why I was back to Jerónima Galés Street is just because I really wanted to get a proper take of the lift at 81 Jerónima Galés Street. Or now as how I call it, drain land. Because the flat building itself smells horrible of pipes. Anyways, let's start this random lift tour video by showing where we begin most of our walks around Jerónima Galés Street. It looks like that's an already made food shop. It's gonna open very soon, which is like in about 3 weeks time. Anyways, to the topic. So apparently I went back to Jerónima Galés Street to do a random lift on that. I filmed some flowers in there, just a normal afternoon of Wednesday, since I didn't have much of homework. But who already fucking cares? I know it's important for you to do your homework, but yeah. Anyway. Your typical afternoon of Wednesday. I don't expect anything new and normal. I've already filmed this building, but I'm not anyway. I've already filmed it. Well, the day was quite interesting, but I don't plan to retake it again. No, that's not this one. It's probably another one in the street. 67. No. Oh. Oh. Thanks. And now to the first lift, which is located exactly at 67 Jerónima Galés Street. I know I've already filmed this on the back on the 17th of March, but I decided to retake it because I found it quite interesting, and because why the fucking hell not? So those are like 5. Damn it. Hi. I've already filmed this live on St. Patrick's Day in 17th of March, but I'm gonna check it. Who already gives a fuck? Now there's much better daytime. What's upstairs? I just don't believe why this lift is fast as hell. It's like this goes 2 meters, 2 meters per second. Yeah, the fabulous in Jerónima Galés Street get way older, like they turn 80 years old. Maybe something worse will happen, like that could lead to demolition or something. But I don't think they're gonna be demolished. Just they probably are gonna rebuild the interiors, and that's it. It's like how I would get used to call it by the previous name in my own family. It's like, yeah, you just prefer to call this name by the previous, to call the street by its previous name. If you just have like use a poll box or something. Anyways, I'm not gonna get into any types of politics because they're not worth it for this video. Because do you think that just such shit? I'm not gonna bring any kinds of politics. I'm trying to avoid these conversations. So yeah, apologize if you've seen that earlier. The dog was looking like in attacking mode. There's this thing that, so now I would get these only
gracias, Leire, muy bien. Eso no se toca, Adriana.
I just heard a beep. I thought it was my camera was running out of battery. No, I only just had one to film for now. Let's hope I can get more ink kit. Is it now? Here's the biggest flat building in Valencia. I'm going to get this one. And now at 47 Jerónima Galés Street, or specifically called the big flat building in Valencia. This flat building was built in the 80s, unlike the others in the street which were built in the 70s. Anyways, the lifts here some really nice 80s colonnades which now have been modernized by an towards and also leaded to have cab refurbishments as well. The reason why this flat building is considered the biggest flat building in Valencia Center is because in terms of wings, there's two wings, but in terms of area, it is really big. I've done all of the wings before back in late 2015, but this time I'm only going to film the lift in B wing, but which sadly the lift in B wing from ground to 7th, it had its swing doors replaced. From what it's saying, these were originally built in the 80s, but these were modernized by an intern in the 2000s, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing, because it's literally the same, but it just doesn't go down to the basements. Apparently, this was built in the early 90s. This is 8 floors. Because like usually you see pavilions like they have around 7 or 9 floors. But never you see one that has 8 floors. Or 6.
Posibilidades de comprar.
Vale, pues espero yo aquí fuera con esto.
Wait, I wasn't planning to go back to this to film this again in this one. Because I've already filmed it last time. I run out of battery now. I don't know what I will get further. Should have done so. I should have charged it last night. And now, my camera just ran out of battery before getting into Lithograph and Pasquale and Abbott Street. So now, for the rest of this video, I'm going to switch to record with my phone. It looks like apparently I had to switch to my phone. My camera was running out of battery. Duh. and don't have backup, just this. Okay.
No, aún no han terminado.
Llévanos por allá.
Well, apparently there's no such luck to get into this one. Anyway. Sub 6. I'm not going to do jumping shit. Because I'm not Benno. Oh shit! And now to be lifted 65 Jerónima Galés Street. The take I thought was not the best in my opinion. Maybe if I go back, I hope to retake this one day. Anyways, the lift here is identical to the 161 Jerónima Galés Street. It was built in the 70s and it was modernized in the 2000s by a company named Houseman Bell. And also, even if it was modernized, this still has hard stops. But annoyingly, the inner doors have been replaced and sadly it lost its windows on the inner doors. Here's the lift at 65 Jerónima Galés Street. It apparently looks like it has got new inner doors. And it no longer has windows on the inner doors.
Planta 7, abriendo puertas. Cerrando puertas. Bajando. Planta 0, abriendo puertas.
It wasn't the best take at 65 Jerónima Galés Street. Well, if I come here next time, I should have charged my camera last night. Why am I such a person like this? Anyway, speaking of that, you may have seen some details about this lift in the description. Or even when I just narrated. I guess this wasn't the best random lift tour ever. Now we should walk down to 81. And now at 81 Jerónima Galés Street, also known as Strained Land. Now to the lift in there. Will I get the best take this time? Find out. Not 2, 3. We can't even open any I know it's for the safety. Yes. Yeah. It's gone up to 5. Even though this building has a horrible smell inside, the lift itself in here is quite nice. Even though I'm recording with my phone and you won't hear much. I won't show. Let's go down. That's why I have that's why I have this camera. Facts. I wouldn't say that's the best take I've done of 81 Jerónima Galés Street, but maybe next time if I come back, you'll see what happens. Will I retake the lift in that building? Find out. Maybe I'll come back here when Easter comes. Starting to fresh out. This phone, I know my phone was just a back. And now to the lift at 9 Massa Avenue, which is an original 70s as in so a Swiss lift. That's kinda sus. This lift is an old logic one. You can tell why.
Hello, my name is Eli. Hello, little shit.
I'm gonna say hello for now. Crap. There we go. Oh my, I almost got caught. Because there was a fucking dog barking. Oh my. So you're going out to smoke another cigarette, huh? Well, this video is now going to end here. The most important thing is that I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to this channel and activate the bell for more for notifications for when I upload another new video. And bye bitches!